Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to review the Lotta Body Custard Jelly. So this jelly is 7 ounces. And this is more of a gel cream custard. It looks thick, but to be honest, it's really not that thick for my hair. So I've already co-washed and deep conditioned, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply the custard. And the first thing I noticed when applying this is that it made my hair very soft, and I was really surprised that it defined my curls, which is definitely a plus. So the downfall to this custard jelly is that I had to apply a lot to my hair to ensure that it coat each section. This is only 7 ounces, so I will be surprised if I get at least 3 usage out of this, but that's just because my hair is really thick. So this custard is supposed to tame frizz and add moisture. It contains coconut and shea oils, which helps keep the hair moisturized. And I can truly say that my hair is definitely moisturized, and this jelly has great slip. I will say that you need to use a liquid-based leave-in conditioner instead of a cream, or this custard will definitely flake on you like it did to me. After air drying overnight, I'm going to style to my liking.
We about to turn it on.
So overall, I like the Lotta Body Custard Jelly. My curls are elongated, it's soft, and it's moisturized. My only dislike is the size of the custard, but overall, I'm impressed with this custard as it definitely provides great definition. Also, one other downfall is I did notice that it did not tame my frizz. I don't know what's going on with my hair lately, but my hair has been frizzy lately. So this jelly definitely did not work at taming frizz. So that completes my review of the Lotta Body Custard Jelly. Thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share, and hit that subscribe button. And I will chat with you guys later.